Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful detox video for you today. Now I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful fat burning tea that's going to slim you down, okay? It's going to get that weight off of your belly. It's going to flatten your belly, and it's so simple. It's similar to some of the other teas that I've shown you in the past, but like I said, this is wonderful, it's fast and easy. So let's start with the ingredients. You're going to need 1 lemon, well not really a lemon, but you're going to need the juice of half a lemon. You're also going to need some turmeric powder, some cayenne pepper, and your green tea, okay? Now if you don't have the loose green tea, you can also use 2 green tea bags for this detox that I'm showing today. And you're also going to need 1 liter of water because we got to brew that tea. So let's start with our video right now. You're going to need a pot and pan, and you're going to put it on a medium flame, and you're going to pour your 1 liter of water inside your pan, okay, because we got to bring that to a boil. Now if you have the tea bags, it's best that you let your water boil first before putting it in there, but if you have the loose tea leaves like this one, you can actually put it in your water. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of my green tea leaves in there. Alright, so we're going to let that come to a boil, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so our water is finished boiling, and now we're going to turn it off and let it cool. And as it's cooling, we're going to allow it to steep for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so in 10 minutes we'll finish this up. Okay, so now we are finished, and it's 10 minutes later. So you're going to get a nice little cup, mug, whatever you have, and we're going to pour and strain our green tea leaves into our glass. So you're going to find a big enough cup to pour that into, because remember, that's 1 liter of water that you used. Next we're going to add our turmeric powder. Now we're going to use half a tablespoon of our turmeric. Okay, so half a tablespoon. And we're going to use a dash of our cayenne pepper. Dash, a pinch. Okay, just a little tad. Okay, we're going to stir that up. Now we're going to use squeeze in half of our lemons. Okay, so our lemon juice, we're going to put like a teaspoon of our lemon juice in there. Which will give it a nice flavor. Alright, and your tea is done. So if you want it a little sweet, you can add in a little bit of honey to taste once it cools down a little bit more. So this wonderful fat burning detox tea is going to slim you down. It's going to help you to get rid of that bloating in your stomach, slim down that belly fat. Right, it's going to make you go, and it's going to definitely help you to lose weight. Alright, so let me know how you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you want to see more detox videos like this. And until the next video, I will see you then.
Fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.